Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I had secured a rank of 62 in NEET PG 2018. So for the past 2 years, I have been guiding students to help secure a good rank in NEET PG, AIIMS and PGI. Okay, so today in this video, I am going to discuss with you why you are not able to study well after your INI CET exam and how you can do this. So guys, in this video, I am going to share with you a technique. If you will follow it very properly, the way I say it to you, the way I tell it to you, definitely your performance will increase. Definitely you will reach to the same level, to the same productivity that you were having before the INI CET exam. So guys, let us discuss why you are not able to study after this INI CET exam. So guys, the first thing is that, when you have a lot of time for preparation, our mind is not clear. What do we have to study the next day? What you have to study the next week? And you are not able to plan your preparation very well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you will plan your days. And also I feel what is happening with you is that you have lost your aim. You are not thinking about your aim. You know what keeps us motivated daily? How can we stay self-motivated? By thinking about our goals, by thinking about our dreams, by thinking about our dream branch, dream college. Guys, you have been given a lot of time for your preparation. And you have to think that this is the opportunity. This is the opportunity that you have to utilize well. You still have a lot of time with you. And if you utilize this opportunity very well, you have the opportunity to be in the topmost colleges of India. So you just have wasted 1.5 months, but you still have a lot of time with you. Don't waste this time. Think about your dream college. And just think about your dream college, dream brand, and just sit in front of the books whole day. If you cannot focus your mind, just try to focus your body. Your body is in control with you. If you are not able to read fast, just read slowly. Reading slowly is much beneficial than not reading. And I will tell you, if you will read slowly, your weak subjects, your weak points, your weak topics, those weak topics will become strong once you spend a lot of time on them. So don't worry about being slow. Don't worry if you are not able to complete all the things that you have planned. I've been talking to many students and I see how they plan their day. What they do is that in 2 hours they want to complete upper limb, in 2 hours they want to complete lower limb, and in 1 hour they want to complete abdomen. So guys, this is not how you are going to study right now. This is not the correct way. How can you complete half of anatomy in just 5 hours? You have to spend some time on your subjects. And that is the way to improve them. It is only during the last month of preparation that we have to speed things up. But now you have a lot of time and try to utilize it. Don't worry about spending too much time on a subject. It's okay if you are spending too much time on a subject. It's okay if you are doing too many MCQs. It's okay if you are doing too many theory. And guys, the technique that I wanted to discuss with you was that you have to plan each hour of your day. And you have to plan daily. And how you will plan? Guys, promise me that at the end of the day, you will sit with a pen and a paper and you will dedicate at least 10 minutes to planning. And what you will do in that planning, you will try to plan every hour of the day. What students usually do, they will just make a plan that tomorrow they will do MCQs, then they will read the notes of a particular subject, and they will do one grant test. You don't know the specific time at which you are doing that particular thing. Your schedule should be like this. At 8 a.m. you will get up in the morning. At 8:30 you will start studying. From 8:30 to 9:30 you will do particular MCQs. From 9:30 to 12:30 you will read these many pages of a particular notes. You have to be clear in those 3 hours how many pages you will be able to read, and just make sustainable goals. Don't try to make unrealistic goals. Okay, even if you complete a little every day, you will be able to accomplish a lot by the end of 3 months. Okay, so like 9:30 to 12:30 you will read like 20 pages of upper limb. Okay, then you are exhausted after reading so much. Then take 1 hour break and decide what you will do in that particular break. whether you will watch any video on YouTube, whether you will watch any motivational video, whether you will sit with your family, whether you will talk to your friends, be clear कि यार 1 घंटे में मुझे ये करना है, 1 घंटे में मुझे लंच करना है. And after 2 o'clock, just don't give like a 15-minute break or a half an hour break. Give realistic breaks, make realistic targets. Okay, then 2 to 5 p.m. write what you will study. ऐसा नहीं कि लिख देना कि यार 2 to 5 I will study biochemistry and you don't know what you have to study in the biochemistry. You should be clear whether you have to read the MCQs, whether you have to do the theory, okay, whether you have to practice a grand test or you have to do a test on that particular subject. Okay, you know, most of you are just wasting your time thinking कि यार मुझे आज करना क्या है. Instead of just wasting the whole day and not being clear कि what you have to do on that particular day, just 15 minutes every day try to plan out what you will do on that particular day. Okay, and try to plan out every single hour. Send me the photo of that planning that you have done on the Telegram group and I will tell you how you will do it. And definitely that planning will help you improve your productivity. And another thing that I want to tell you is that just have faith in whatever you have planned. Okay, no strategy is the best strategy. Okay, you know, whenever we write down things what we have planned, we try to follow a particular strategy, self doubt starts coming in our mind कि यार whatever I am doing, whether it is correct or wrong, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो सही है या गलत है. यार जो भी तुम्हारे अंदर से फीलिंग आ रही है कि यार ये करना चाहिए मुझे, that is the correct thing, that is the best thing. So whatever your mind is saying to you कि what you have to do, that is the best thing that you have to do. Okay, and just have faith in yourself whatever you are doing, and definitely you will do well in the main exam. But you have to utilize every single day, you have to utilize every single hour, and don't waste this time, guys. Okay, all the best.